3 websites I wish I found sooner for creating content. Okay, so this is answerthepublic.com, and this website is really great for you to put in your niche or a business topic or idea, and it gives you everything that people are normally searching for. Everything from how to do it, what to do it, who's it for, all of that stuff. This website is gold. There's another one that's really cool. This is called Metricool, and this platform allows you to schedule your content for any publication all at once. And this one is ultimately the coolest, Captions. And so captions are exactly what you see here on this screen, and the captions that I used for this really cool video. Let me know if this was helpful, and if you got any more questions, drop them below.